The missile is very tired. He is eepy. The missile has had a very long day of splashing bandits and wants to take just a small sleep. He eeby and neebies to sleepy. Mibsile sleepy and need bed by time. The missile is currently experiencing critical levels of being a sleevgy lil guy and needs to go to bed. He is ver tired and needs to slep. Just a little sleeging time is a treat. Mid-silly-lele needs to slek. Vertward boyo. Just a lil guy. Mipsipalibile needs his beady sleep. Look at him go. He yawn babe cause he's skeegy. Neebs to falafel asleep. Neeny time, good night, Mr. the Missile.